Welcome to our guide on how to delete a vendor credit in Docket. When you receive a vendor credit, it signifies that you have a balance that can be applied to future invoices or potentially refunded, depending on your arrangement with the vendor. Vendor credits are typically issued in the following scenarios. You've returned goods to the vendor. There's been a pricing dispute that was resolved in your favor. You were overcharged in a previous billing cycle. In most cases, you should not delete a vendor credit. Docket system is designed to apply these credits to future bills, thus reducing the total amount you owe to the vendor. However, there is an exception to this general rule for utility providers such as PG and E or water services. These providers issue regular statements instead of traditional invoices, typically including credits and past due amounts in future statements. Since the utility provider will automatically apply these credits on the next statement, you can remove these specific credit bills from your Docket invoice queue. To delete a vendor credit, log into your Docket account. Click on Expense Management in the top header menu. From the drop-down, opt for Accounts Payable. Then tap on Invoice Queue to view all your invoices. Locate the credit from the utility vendor. Click on it. Confirm that the credit will be accounted for in a future statement from the provider. Click on the 3 dots ellipses and choose Delete Invoice. Confirm the action by clicking on the red Delete button. And there you have it. You have now learned how to delete a vendor credit in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.